Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Thanksgiving and
Happy Thanksgiving!
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Even though you won't be seeing this until after, we are going to be cooking Thanksgiving dinner. This is the first time I have ever cooked. So, very exciting. We're in our matching pajamas, even Tinsley. How freaking cute.
She's loving it.
Yeah, and by that we mean actually hating it.
She's shaking
every second. Yeah, those aren't gonna last long. We already started yesterday. We made the pumpkin pie and we also made homemade cranberry sauce, which was actually so much easier than what I thought it was gonna be. We started the deviled eggs and then we started the celery and onion for the dressing. Real quickly, I was watching all of our Breckenridge vlogs last week or something, and I was like, I want to start filming like stuff, like memories and stuff that I want to be able to look back on. And so I was like, why not Thanksgiving, the first time I'm actually cooking dinner. Oh, also I banged my head on the side of our dresser the other day, so that is the giant knot and bruise right there. So oh my gosh, it looks so bad. Does it really look this bad in real life?
No, I can't even see it.
It is very noticeable on camera. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I wouldn't even notice it if you wouldn't have pointed it out.
Okay, well, let's get started. She is loving not having that those PJs on. Tinsley. Hi. What are you doing? Are you rolling your wet body around on the couch? Little miss? Little miss? Crazy. Crazy girl. Tinsley. Tinsley. Alright, what are your thoughts on this Thanksgiving meal?
Well, the turkey's not done after 4 hours. No, don't buy a turkey over 25 pounds.
And also, don't double bag it.
Yeah, don't double bag it. So when
If
that
one of
first
the bag rips,
Yeah.
just don't double bag it. Just go ahead and take that first one off, even if it's more work. So we've changed out of our pajamas already. Changed out of our pajamas into sweatpants. So, yeah, everything's ready except for the turkey.
The most important thing about Thanksgiving dinner.
I like the ham though.
Well, we do have a ham.
Yes,
So
we have a
if
ham.
all else fails, we at least have a ham.
Yeah. I'm gonna go wake up Brandon. He has to work today, but he's going to eat with us. So yeah.
Probably ham.
Yeah, probably ham.
This is everything up to eat right now.
$350, $375. I'll do $375.
People have more rent and more experience, but absolutely.
Hey guys, so it is a couple hours later. We just hung out before Brandon went to work, ate, and it was so good. We were so full. Felt so sick because I ate way too much. And then we just got back from taking food to Brandon's parents and then my grandma and then my great aunt, because we didn't have like a big huge, you know, Thanksgiving dinner. Like we made a bunch for our immediate family because we didn't have a big huge thing because my grandma, like I said in one of my other vlogs, my grandma had COVID and the flu as well as pneumonia all at the same time, and she's out of quarantine now, but we just didn't want to risk her getting sick or anything else anymore. So yeah, I'm so tired because I have not been to sleep yet. I had a really bad migraine yesterday, and so I literally just laid in bed like all day until like 6 o'clock. And so last night I wasn't tired at all until like 2 o'clock, and I was like, I'm literally gonna get up in 2 hours anyway, so there's no point in going to sleep. So I haven't been to sleep. So yeah, Brittany and the girls are getting ready to come over, and we're gonna have some pie whenever she gets here. So that is the plan so far, and I'm probably gonna take a nap at some point because I am baiting fast. In like an hour and a half, I will be up for 24 whole hours. I can't do that anymore. I can't. Too old for that. Shake. Shake. Get your cook, girl. Hey guys, so we forgot to film last night any kind of ending. It is like late Black Friday. What time is it?
11.
Yeah,
Almost.
like 11 on Black Friday. We started a new tradition this year, which we've kind of always done this, but we're like making it an official tradition of
No shopping.
yes, no shopping. I mean, you shop online, but not like actually leaving the house to go shopping, and watching Hallmark movies all day long. So yeah, Brandon's on his way home from work, but that's what we're doing. Yeah, I mean, I'm not, but she is. But yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I will talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.